Well, Habib Mia, 41, has been in jail for the last 4 years and without a trial. He was charged for allegedly helping terrorists under the UAPA. The NIA court in Bangalore has now acquitted him. His arrest came 11 years after the terrorist attack on the Indian Institute of Science back in 2005. Now, like Habib Mia, 27 such accused are currently lodged in jails of Karnataka who were arrested in 2013. He was arrested in connection with the blast outside the BJP office in Bangalore, and his trial has not even started.
4 साल में मेरा पूरा टाइम वेस्ट हुआ.
Habib Mia was a mechanic in a motor garage in Agartala. He has just been released after spending 4 years in prison. The court has accepted that he was not a terrorist. But sorrow overwhelms the happiness. The family believes that the shock of his arrest resulted in the death of the father.
4 साल मेरा टाइम बर्बाद हुआ. इसके बाद मेरे को अभी छोड़ा है और 4 साल में मेरा पूरा टाइम वेस्ट हुआ. कुछ भी जेल का हालात मेरा फादर ये सुन के मेरा फादर का भी डेथ हो गया.
On 28 December 2005, 2 terrorists attacked the Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru. They threw a grenade and fired from AK-56. A professor of IIT Delhi who had come to participate in a seminar there died and 3 people were injured. According to the police, the terrorist Salahuddin and the shooter Hamza fled to Pakistan after carrying out the attack. Salahuddin was later arrested in Lucknow, and in his confession, he named Habib Mia. On this basis, the police arrested Habib Mia.
ऐसे हबीब मियाँ को आपने 4 साल देखा है. बेंगलोर में ऐसे बहुत सारे केस हैं. 8 साल हो गए, चार्ज भी होते नहीं है केस, और 20-20, 10-12 साल ट्रायल चलते हैं और कुछ भी होता नहीं है. हबीब मियाँ के खिलाफ जो चार्जशीट थी उसमें एक भी ऐसा कोई विटनेस भी नहीं था, कोई भी ऐसा एविडेंस भी नहीं था जिसमें ना ही हबीब मियाँ को गिल्ट पॉइंट आउट हो सके और कोर्ट उसको ट्रायल के लिए प्रेस कर सके केस.
Habib Mia is not the only one who has spent many years behind the bars without trial. Here, outside the BJP headquarters in Bengaluru, a blast had taken place way back in 2013. 27 accused were arrested, and they have been languishing in jail without any trial. Even charges have not been framed against them. With camera person Kumar, Nihal Khidwai for NDTV.